So being a digital forensic analyst, primarily work in indecent images, children casework, whilst we do also work in other various casework such as rape, murder. My day-to-day basis would be looking at coming in, grading media files for anything which might be indecent in nature, and then doing analysis on a mobile, tablet, any other digital device. Part of my role as well is being an expert witness in court. Experience of the course was brilliant. In USW, we actually worked as a team on certain projects, but then coming into the actual field of digital forensics, team building, team bonding is a vital thing as well. Doing all the different bits with steganography, using the various tools, FTK as well, software, it does give you a good insight into what you'll be doing in the future. So if anyone was looking to do a career in digital forensics, I would highly recommend it because it gives you a different perspective in life. Even though it's stuff that you wouldn't ideally want to see, but at the end of the day, someone's got to do it. But my advice would be do some research as well. So if you're looking to go into mobile forensics, for example, like me, maybe look into the differences between Android, iOS, and the different devices types, but also what they're capable of as well. But even so, if you could even reach out to someone who works in the field, because they might be able to tell you a thing or two as well. My name is William King Davis. I'm a digital forensic analyst at SciTech, and I studied computer forensics in the University of South Wales.